Welcome to Stock Dads. We've packed this Discord full of experts, courses, and resources designed to help you learn, grow, and obtain the financial freedom that we're all grinding for. Your membership grants you access to an incredible amount of content and could be a little bit overwhelming, so this video serves as a step-by-step guide to make sure that you could find everything that Stock Dads has to offer.
Let's do it right here!
First, we're going to go over the different packages for our Discord group, and you can see exactly what you will get out of each package. Stock Dads, the stocks and options package. You'll get exclusive access to a personal mentor, daily live trading and real-time alerts for stocks, options, and futures, and you'll have access to our Stock Dads Academy and Roadmap system. Sports betting and crypto are not included. For Crypto Dads, this is our crypto package, so stocks, options, and sports betting are not included. You will get real-time alerts for crypto futures from many talented traders, as well as access to the Crypto Dads Academy. Dad Bets, this is the sports betting package, so stocks, options, and crypto are not included, but you will get those sports betting alerts from our team of exclusive bettors. We also have live sports streaming and education on strategies and bankroll management. And finally, the Dad Bundle. This is going to give you access to all that we have to offer at Stock Dads, including stocks, options, crypto, and sports betting. So after you've signed up for our Discord, first, let's make sure you know how to actually join the server. So when you go on wap.com, you will need to log in using the Discord button, then go to your product hub, click on Stock Dads, and then click on Gain Server Access. This should allow you to get into the Stock Dads Discord server.
All right, we're in.
You'll notice that our Discord is organized into a bunch of different categories, and each category is numbered on the left-hand side. It's very important to set access to the entire server after you join. You can decide which categories you want to see, hide the ones that you don't, so this is totally customizable to you and your needs.
Well, let's just break it up into sections, right?
Right.
First section here is the Start Here section, and this is self-explanatory. This is where you will begin. It gives you instructions on how to set up access to the Discord and all the different categories of services like stocks and options, crypto, and sports betting.
I have no idea how to get access to that though.
2, Support Center. If you ever need help from the Stock Dads team, whether it's with the Discord or billing, please submit a support ticket and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If it's not a major issue or not an issue that requires privacy, you could also post your questions in the support chat channel.
Welcome to the neighborhood. Different breed down here, Sarge.
3, Cul-de-sac. This is a community-wide section where we post our announcements, recaps, and community polls. We also have contests and giveaways frequently. You definitely want to pay attention to this section here.
I'm giving away free money.
4, Drill Masters. This is a very important category. We have all of our exclusive analysts here, Ace of Trades, Duke, Fuzz, myself, posting our alerts so that you can take those trade ideas or investment ideas. It's also where we have our live trading rooms so you can trade with us in real time, and you also have access to Ace's small account challenges. These analysts are the cream of the crop and you won't find them anywhere else.
And you're in the right place for it, buddy boy.
5, Premium Chats. This is where we hang out during market hours. We talk about stocks that we're looking at, trades that we're exploring and maybe possibly even taking, latest news updates that come out during the market. In here, we also have areas where we can ask our analysts to review a ticker, post your due diligence about a specific company, brag about your big wins, and share the lessons from trades that did not work out.
I don't like to lose.
Don't be shy here. Say hi, interact with everyone. Trust me, we don't bite. Except for maybe the stock father.
Man, that dude is crazy.
6, Options Analysts. We have a full roster of additional play callers and analysts that also have their own trading styles and different kind of options trades for you guys to take advantage of. However, it's really important here that you don't just jump in to every single analyst's trades blindly. Make sure you take some time to study a little bit about how that analyst trades, whether it's very short term or it's more medium swing trades. Take the time to study the analysts a little bit and make sure that their style lines up with your trading plan.
Oh, you getting cocky on me now? Listen, you keep your head on straight and keep on learning.
7, Stock Analysts. This is where you can find stock trades and stock investments. For example, Mr. M, one of our analysts, does a lot of swing trades, but they are with shares of stock rather than buying options on those. Our other analysts like Ox and Paxton focus on long-term investments, so if you just want to buy and hold shares of stock.
It is like a finger pointing away to the moon.
Moving on to 8 here is crypto. Whether it's Bitcoin futures or altcoins, we've got you covered. We have some of the best crypto analysts in all of Discord. As always, make sure to study each play caller's different style and make sure that it's right for your trading plan. And when it comes to leverage especially, make sure that it fits your account size and your risk tolerance.
Developing the wisdom to apply the right leverage in the right place at the right time.
9. If you love sports, you're going to love our sports betting section because we have everything from Premier League football, NBA, NFL, NHL, pretty much everything that you could bet on, we got it right here in this section.
I don't think you should be doing too much gambling tonight, Alan.
10. The Academy. Look, I get it. You're here to make money and no one wants to stop and read a book. But it's so important to make sure that you get educated and you learn how to trade or invest sustainably. This right here is the most important section in our Discord group because you'll find all of our video courses, our entire library of lessons, books, scripts, and templates to help you learn how to trade. We've spent a ton of time and a lot of money to accumulate all of these different resources that are so valuable and put it into one section just for you guys. So even though you see all of those big gains posted from our analysts and our fellow Discord members, please make sure to take some time and check out this channel.
The point of this whole thing is to keep getting smarter.
11. Licensed professionals. As part of your membership, you have access to a licensed CPA as well as a certified financial planner. You can get on a video call with any of these professionals and they can help you get sorted out financially. Another great value add here to help manage your family's finances.
What else you got?
12. Miscellaneous. This is a short section here. Just want to point out the dad merch store where you can represent stock dads and some neat financial tools.
Can we just hang out together and skip all the annoying stuff?
And finally, 13, this is the Dad Lounge. This is the After Hours Club. This is where you go to talk about things other than stocks. We've got channels on video games, movies, fitness, side hustles, funny memes, and even dad jokes. That wraps up the Stock Dads experience. If you could take one thing away from this video, let it be that we want to help you guys. There are no stupid questions, whether it's trading related or how to navigate the Discord. We are here to help you. We're glad to have you here, and I'm extremely confident that if you do truly utilize everything that we have to offer in the Discord group, you will be successful. I'll catch you in the chats.
We're gonna be making money again, and we're gonna get big and fat.